Good evening, everyone. In today's presentation, we'll be discussing the customers and 360-degree brand communication. This presentation was prepared by my group mates Bea Igania, Christine Ligon, Jill Tolosa, and myself, Bea Machenza. Firstly, I will discuss what key information do customers expect from a brand and how should it be communicated. First, the value proposition. This is a concise statement that outlines the unique benefits and value a brand offers, setting it apart from competitors. A strong value proposition helps customers understand why they should choose a particular product or service over others. If a brand can't clearly communicate what makes it special, customers may look elsewhere. Second, product or service details. Customers want comprehensive information about what a brand offers. This includes features, functionalities, pricing, and usage details. The more transparent and detailed this information is, the easier it is for customers to make confident purchasing decisions. Third, customer support. A brand's commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in how accessible and responsive its support channels are, whether through phone numbers, chat support, or help centers. Customers expect quick and helpful assistance whenever they have concerns or questions. Fourth, company values and ethics. Today's consumers don't just buy products, they support brands that align with their beliefs. Customers appreciate transparency about the company's mission, values, and ethical practices. When a brand openly shares its commitment to sustainability, social responsibility, or fair labor practices, it strengthens trust and connection with its audience. Lastly, personalization. Customers appreciate experiences that feel tailored to them. Personalized recommendations, targeted offers, and customized interactions make customers feel valued and understood, increasing engagement and satisfaction. Now that we know what customers expect, how should brands effectively communicate this information? First, through consistency. Messaging should be uniform across all platforms, whether it's a website, social media, or advertisements. Consistency reinforces brand identity and makes information easy to recognize. Second, with clarity and conciseness. Customers don't want to read long, complicated explanations. Using straightforward, easy to understand language ensures that the message is clear and digestible. Third, by creating engaging content. Information doesn't have to be boring. Brands can use videos, infographics, and blogs to make content more visually appealing and engaging, keeping audiences interested. Fourth, with responsive communication. Customers appreciate brands that listen and respond, actively engaging with customer inquiries and feedback, especially on social media, shows that a brand values its audience and is willing to address concerns. And finally, through transparency. Customers appreciate honesty. Brands that openly share company updates, challenges, and achievements build credibility and foster trust with their audience.
So before discussing the PR strategies that enhance 360-degree brand communication, let's first define what a 360-degree brand communication is. So a 360-degree brand communication is a marketing approach where a brand delivers a consistent message across all possible channels and touchpoints to create a unified brand experience. It is making sure that customer experience the brand in a clear, unified way across all platforms from online marketing and advertisements to in-store promotions and customer service. This strategy helps businesses build strong relationship with customers, ensuring they remember and trust the brand no matter how they interact with it. Now that we understand what 360-degree brand communication is, let's explore the PR strategies that can help strengthen it. First is the consistent branding message. A brand should always sound and look the same no matter where customers see it. This means using the same colors, logos, tones, and key messages in social media posts, advertisements, and even customer service replies. And with having this, where everything feels connected, people then will remember and trust the brand more. Second is the multi-channel management. A brand shouldn't rely on just one platform like Facebook or TV ads. Instead, it should be everywhere its customers are on social media, websites, emails, billboards, and even in physical stores. The goal is to create a seamless and consistent experience. Whether someone sees the brand on TikTok, in an email, or inside the mall, they should feel the same connection to it. Third is the influencers and media relations. Many people trust influencers and journalists because they see them as experts or relatable figures. Brands collaborate with them to spread their messages in a more authentic way, creating real conversation instead of just running ads. There are two key elements that make this strategy powerful, which is the trust and reach, where influencers have loyal followers who value their recommendations, while media outlets like magazines, newspapers, and TV networks add credibility. Another advantage is engagement. Unlike traditional ads, influencer and media content sparks discussion, encourages interaction, and builds a community. Whether through a YouTube blog, a viral TikTok, or a featured article, this approach helps brands connect with audience in a natural and engaging way. Lastly, customer reaction and feedback. A brand's success depends on how well it listens to its customers. So by engaging with them, by replying to comments, answering questions, and addressing concern shows that their opinions matter. And with this, it builds trust and strengthens brand loyalty. Another, customer feedback also helps brand improve their products and services. As how brands actively consider suggestions, they show responsiveness and adaptability. And by continuously listening and responding, brands create a strong relationship with their audience, turning satisfied customers into loyal advocates. Overall, incorporating these four PR strategies create a strong foundation for 360-degree brand communication, and by maintaining a unified brand identity, reaching audiences across multiple platforms, leveraging trusted voices, and actively engaging with customers, brands can build trust, enhance visibility, and foster lasting connections.
So, public relations play a crucial role in shaping the way people perceive a brand, while customers in turn have a significant impact on PR efforts. Allow me to discuss how both parties influence each other. First, for the customer's influence on PR efforts. For the reviews, feedbacks, and insights, whether it's positive or negative, this information is crucial when you want to know if the efforts of PR professionals are resonating with the audience. It can be through word of mouth or simply online reviews that are easily found on Google and other websites. It can often serve as first impressions for potential customers. These inputs can either tarnish a brand's reputation or attract new customers, hence the active monitoring of peer professionals to maintain a strong brand image. Second is expectations. Modern customers expect brands to listen to their concerns, adapt to trends, or even take a stand on social issues. If you fail to align your brand with consumer values such as sustainability or inclusivity, you are more likely to lose public trust. If customers demand eco-friendly packaging, a brand's PR team may create campaigns that would highlight their commitment to sustainability in its operations. Third, user-generated contents. UGCs are created by customers to showcase a brand's products or services, whether through an unboxing video, reviews, or even news. Similar to the first bullet, it can either enhance or damage a brand's reputation, so PR teams often leverage UGCs to strengthen authenticity. Fourth is crisis management. Anything negative imposed to a brand can quickly turn into PR crisis. Customers drive how brands respond, requiring quick and strategic PR efforts and interventions to control the narrative. Lastly is loyalty and advocacy. Happy and satisfied customers are effective marketing tools. They become brand advocates that shape public perception through testimonials and referrals. PR teams often nurture these relationships for brand growth. Next is the PR's influence on customer perception. First is emotional connection. Through storytelling and narratives, PR establishes an emotional connection with customers. They are able to identify brands that align with their values, hence fostering brand loyalty. Second is trust and credibility. By leveraging media relations, social media, and influencers, brands can convey positive messages and create a favorable image. Earning media coverage and endorsements enhances credibility and positions brand as reliable sources. Third, customer engagement. PR fosters customer engagement through social media, press events, influencer partnerships, and community outreach. When customers feel heard and valued, they develop a stronger connection with the brand. PR efforts that encourage two-way communication, such as responding to customer feedback or engaging in meaningful conversations, positively influence perception. Fourth is decision making. PR shapes the consumer decision-making process by creating brand awareness and generating interest. It provides valuable information, highlighting a product's benefits and unique selling points. PR also addresses concerns, instilling confidence and increasing the likelihood of consumer preference for a particular brand. Lastly is crisis management. How a brand handles a crisis directly affects customer perception. PR teams craft crisis communication strategies to respond quickly and effectively to negative situations. A well managed crisis response, such as a sincere apology, corrective action, and transparent communication, can rebuild customer trust and even strengthen brand loyalty in the long run.
360-degree brand communication strategy. For our case study in June 2024, Jollibee, the Philippines' leading fast food chain, announced a significant partnership with Bini, a popular Filipino girl group, as its newest brand ambassador. This collaboration exemplifies a, strate- a strategic 360-degree brand communication approach, effectively engaging consumer across multiple platforms. Let's move forward to how Jollibee implemented 360-degree brand communication. First is traditional advertising. Jollibee launched television and print advertisement featuring Beanie, emphasizing themes of youthfulness, fun, and Filipino pride. Billboards and posters across Jollibee outlets showcase the endorsement, reinforcing visibility. Next is digital marketing. The campaign was heavily promoted on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, where Beanie members interacted with fans. Jollibee created branded TikTok challenges inspired by Beanie's hit song Pantropico, increasing user-generated content and organic reach. Next is product and merchandising tie-ins, where Jollibee introduced the Jollibee meal, which included special edition, packaging, and collectible photo cards of Beanie members, appealing to both food lovers and group fan base. Lastly is marketing and events. Jollibee hosted the Jollibee Fan Meet in September 2024, where fans had the opportunity to meet Beanie and engage in fun activities, and enjoy exclusive promotion as well as live performances and store visit by Beanie members created excitement among fans. This case illustrates how Jollibee collaboration with Beanie effectively utilized a 360-degree brand communication strategy to engage consumers, enhance brand visibility, and strengthen customer loyalty. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening.